How to overlay a video on InShot app. So first thing first, let's open the InShot app, and I assume that you have already downloaded the InShot app on your mobile phone. So once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface, and in this create new section there is video, photo and collage. So just tap on video, and once you tap on it, you need to select a video from your galleries on the screen. So let me choose a video. Afterward, you can see there is green button at the bottom right corner of this section on the screen. So let's tap on right button, and you'll be able to edit your video afterward. And you can also see there is lots of option to edit in here, or you can see there is lots of tools in here. So now what you can do is, if you want to overlay this video, so just tap the clip, and once you tap on it, you can see there is PIP or PIP option at the toolbar. So just select the PIP option shown in the screen, and once you tap on it, simply select a photo or video you want to overlay. So if you want to overlay a photo, just select a photo. So once you tap on it, you can see you'll be able to overlay it on your another videos on the screen. So basically this is how, and this is the process to overlay a video on InShot. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.